video, we're going to show you how to install under cabinet lighting DIY style. I'm Emily.
I'm Mike.
And today we're going to install the Xenon line voltage thin under cabinet task lights in his kitchen. So the first thing we're going to do is cut small holes into the cabinets in order to run the cables through. You ready?
Yeah.
Now that our cabinets are ready for installation, we're going to mark where we want the fixtures to go by opening up our lens cover and marking through the mounting holes with a pencil to show where we're going to put the screws. Our next step is to pre-drill holes for the screws. Be very careful not to drill through the cabinet. Okay, we successfully installed our first under cabinet lighting fixture. As you can see, it's flush with the back of our cabinet. We installed it toward the back so that the light would illuminate our backsplash. Our linking cable is attached. And we've also installed wire staples to affix the cable to the back of our microwave so that it goes right up against the wall. We just purchased this at our local hardware store.
Okay, Emily. Now that we have our larger fixture installed, it's time to install our smaller fixture. The instructions and setup will be very similar.
Okay, great. So all we're going to do is open up our lens cover once again, mark the spot where our mounting screws are going to go through, and then drill it in with our electric drill. Alright, so I'm just making sure that that wire is going to be taut when we install it. And holding up the fixture. And marking my spots. Okay. Okay, we finished installing our under cabinet lighting. Again, we used the Xenon line voltage thin under cabinet task lights.
The under cabinet lighting gives the granite countertops a nice crystal clear surface to work with and is a great addition to any kitchen.
If you're interested in Xenon under cabinet lighting or any other type of under cabinet lighting, check out pegasuslighting.com. Thanks for watching.